I'm Mr. Boom here and welcome to Forex Business Hub, and in this video we're gonna share or we're gonna analyze the market for Monday to Friday. That means for next Monday to Friday. Okay, so let's analyze the market. So if we want to start from weekly time frame or daily time frame, okay, maybe we want to start from weekly. Okay, let's analyze the weekly first. As you can see there, market is on big buy trend. Okay, as you can see there, big buy from a long time ago. Market is on buy trend. So if we check on daily time frame, as you can see there, always one buy trend. It may going a little bit down, again up, again down, again more up, again down, again up. That means market just creating higher high, okay, higher high. Okay, each and every time market just creating higher high, and there is higher low also. Okay, so what we need to do in this market situation, or what can be technical analysis from this side. So let me make it 1 hour time frame analysis. 1 hour time frame analysis. So if we analyze the market from 1 hour time frame, as you can see there is 3 particular support and resistance zone. Okay, this is the all time high, that means around 2756 to 58, and our latest support zone is around 2739, and our lower support zone is around 2718 to 15. Okay, this particular area. So what can be happen on market? So for right now there is 2 major thing happening on the world. That means geopolitical issue. Number 1 is US election. Okay, US election. Number 2 is Russia Ukraine war. Okay, number 3 is Middle East war. Okay, they are very major thing on the forex market, especially on gold or USD related pair. Okay, so maybe there is a 7 or 5 to 7 days to US election come, so market will more unstable in this day. After the US election, we may expect market will be stable. Okay, and Russia Ukraine war is running from long time ago, and recent tension is Middle East war. More than 1 year ago it's just running. Okay, day by day the tension is increasing, okay, not decreasing. So you have to keep your concern on these 3 major geopolitical issue. So if we want to trade, we have to keep a big concern on these 3 geopolitical issue. Okay, firstly you have to think the market fundamentally. If you are technical trader, you must have to think fundamental thing in this particular time or in this particular market. Okay, then we can take entry or blah blah blah. As per we know, market is on buy trend right now, so we can do buy trade. Or if you are a small investor, you must avoid sell entries, or each and every time if you want to enter the market. So suppose you want to enter here for 100 pips. Okay, 100 pips, the entry point is here. If you want to take 1:2 risk reward ratio, your SL will be 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips. So when you take entry, you must have to set your SL. Market can be up or down, or anything happen in the particular area. Okay, in this particular area, as you can see there is a big drop. That means around 2756 to around 2708 or 2710. Suppose 10 to 56, that means here is almost 460 pips drop within few hours. So your account may washed out in this area, so you must have to use your SL. Okay, so this is the fundamental thing. Let's analyze with a smaller time frame. That means technical analysis, smaller time frame. So as you can see there, market just reached or crossed this particular area recently. So you may ask me what we can do on Monday. So as you can see there is a breakout and trend is buy, so we may take a buy entry. But when, as you can see there, it's already break and we need to wait for a pullback. As you can see, there is already a pullback. If it gives us another pullback, then we can take a buy entry from that area to I'm sorry, that area to that particular area, or this support line. Okay, if you want to take entry around that particular area, your SL should be around that particular area. That means, as I said before, 50 pips, and if you want to take 100 pips, of 100 pips. Okay, so your entry is here. So if it go up, that means there is major possible to go up. That means 100 pips it took. If you want to use multiple TP, then you can 50 pips TP here. Okay, or if it go opposite, it may hit our 50 pips SL. This is a simple thing, and you must have to use stop loss, because if you think I only take profit, I don't hit any stop loss, so I don't want to use stop loss. Maybe 1 or 2 days this strategy works, but in the third particular day your account will be washed out. So expect that trading SL is a part of trading. Okay, so you have to accept that. Okay, so hopefully the thing is clear now. If any other entry on M13 time frame, no, there is no major entry on M13 time frame, the same as this particular area. As you can see that we can only take entry around that area. Okay, then we can set our TP around here and our SL below the support line. Okay, so hopefully all things is clear now about technical analysis. I repeat again, you have to keep your concern on fundamental thing, okay, in this particular area, because there is 3 major thing, as I said: US election, Russia Ukraine war, Middle East tension. Okay, so you have to keep your mind on these 3 geopolitical issue. Okay, so hopefully all things clear now. If you have any more query, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. There we share each and every day our fundamental and technical analysis. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.